Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles and invite users in Zoho Books. This is essential for managing team access and ensuring each member has the right permissions for their responsibilities within your accounting system. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log in to your Zoho Books account using your username and password. This will bring you to your main dashboard where we'll begin configuring your team's settings. Now look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon to access the All Settings page. This is your control center for managing everything from preferences to user permissions. Under the All Settings page, locate the section named Users and Roles. From this section, click on the option labeled Roles. This is where you'll create custom permission sets that determine what each team member can access and modify within Zoho Books. On the Roles page, look at the top right corner and click on New Role. This will direct you to the New Role customization page. Here, start by entering a role name in the field, something descriptive like accountant or sales manager. Below that, add a role description to clarify the purpose of this role. Take your time browsing through this page and carefully review each access level and restriction you'll be granting or removing for accounts assigned to this role. This step is crucial because it defines the boundaries of what users in this role can do. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. Now that your role is created, let's head to the Users section to set up your new user. On the left side panel, click on the option named Users. You'll be directed to a list showing all active users under your Zoho account. At the top right corner of your screen, click on Invite User. A pop-up menu will appear with fields to fill out, including name and email address for the person you're inviting. Under the Roles section, click the drop-down menu and select the role we created earlier for this specific user. This assigns them the exact permissions you configured, ensuring they have appropriate access without overstepping boundaries. Once you've selected the role and double-checked all the details, click Send Invite. Your new user will receive an email invitation to join your Zoho Books account with their designated role already applied. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.